Let's consider this physics question. Three 5 ohms resistors connected in parallel have a potential difference of 60 volts applied across the combination. The current in each resistor is dash. So you see, this is a question on electricity, and this is JAMB 1978 question 22. So by now, as a student preparing for JAMB, you should know certain properties of circuit. So when resistors are connected in parallel, especially this, when they are connected in parallel, they share the same potential difference. Yes, but different current flows through them. Different current flows through them. The current that is coming, let me make a drawing of that. Let's take, for example, we have this resistance, and this is another resistor, sorry. This is another resistor. The three of them are connected to the cell, and this cell is with EMF 60 volts. So now, one thing about this is that each one of them is 5 ohms, 5 ohms, another 5 ohms. Now, the current coming from the cell, when it gets to this junction, is going to split into 3. So here we have I1, and here we have I2, and here we have I3. Now, you can see that the same current that is coming from here is split into 2. So each one of them will take part of this current. So one thing that will happen here again is that each one of them is 5 ohms resistor, meaning that I1 has to be equal to I2, has to be equal to I3, because the value of the resistors are the same. The resistance of the resistor are the same. Assuming they are different, they cannot take the same current. That is a fact about parallel connection, which you need to know. So this even makes the job easier for us. All you need to do is to remember your Ohm's law. Ohm's law says that V is equal to IR. Now to get I will just say I is equal to V all over R. Since all of them have the same 5 ohm resistor and the same voltage is what supplies that current. So therefore, that means current passing through each one of them. That means I1, which is equal to I2 equal to I3, will be equal to 60 volts all over what? 5. So this will give me 12 ampere. So it means I1 will be 12 ampere, I2 will be 12 ampere, I3 will be 12 ampere. But if the resistors have different resistance, like maybe this one is 5, this one is 6, this one is 7, they cannot take the same current. But when it comes to parallel series connection, they will share the same current. That is, the same current will pass through them without splitting. That's this one splits without splitting, but their potential difference will be different. So that is series connection. You also need to understand that very well. So the correct answer for this is option C. Thank you.